Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on editing messages on iMessage after sending them on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order for this to work, you and the recipient of the message will both have to have iOS 16. You can edit a message up to 15 minutes after sending it, and you can edit it up to 5 times. Both you and the recipient will be able to see all of the edits you have made. To edit a message, hold down on it and tap Edit. If you change your mind, you can tap the X to stop editing and go back to the original text. Edit the message and then tap the tick to save the changes. You and the recipient can tap Edited below the message to see the edits. To edit it again, just do the same as before. Hold down on the message and tap Edit. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.